Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I'm still working on foods that help build your immune system due to the infection that's going on nationwide, and you know what I'm talking about, okay? Alright, so today I'm going to make you taco spaghetti, and in that taco spaghetti we're going to have these are things that help you with building your immune system. Garlic, turmeric, and what else? What was it? I had garlic, turmeric, and ginger. Okay, so these three items are going to help build your immune system. I made a video with all 11 items that you should be eating on a regular weekly basis to make sure your immune system is up so that this virus doesn't attack you. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. I already have my water boiling on the stove for the pasta, the spaghetti pasta, and now we're gonna put it in and then start on the ground beef. Okay? Alright, let me adjust the camera. We're gonna get started. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I appreciate you watching. And also share this video because everybody needs to know how to build up their immune system due to the sickness going on. Okay? Alright, 1 second. Okay, so I have a mixture of spaghetti pasta that I'm going to be using. This is veggie. I got about a half a box of this left. This is whole grain. Okay, and I have a half a box of this. And this is your regular pasta. Okay, so I'm going to put a little of each one in. And the purpose of me putting a little of each one in is to get all the benefits. So the veggie, of course, is going to help me with my input of vegetables, right? So I have a half a box of this. Okay, I'm going to break this and put it in. And then I have whole grain, which will help me with fiber. You need fiber in your diet, especially if you're a diabetic like me. Okay, this I'm putting about a fourth of this in, a fourth of the box, and then the regular pasta for taste. And I'm going to put about a fourth of the regular spaghetti in there. Okay? Okay, so there we have it. All three are in. Now we're going to work on the ground beef. Okay, so I have a little oil in my frying pan here. You can see way down there, just a drop. See? Okay, I'm going to just move that around so it covers the bottom of the frying pan. And I also want to stir up my pasta so it doesn't stick together. I do have oil and salt in the water for the pasta. I put that in right along with the water. Okay, now that I've stirred this up so it doesn't stick together, I can move on to the next phase. I'm going to turn the fire on so that I can cook I have onions. And to help your immune system, I'm using garlic. that I cut up fine. And put that in. Okay. And we're going to let this cook a little bit so that the onions and garlic get a little soft. And that will take about maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so now that our onions and garlic have cooked a little, okay, now I'm going to add our ground beef. I have about a pound of ground beef. I'm going to put that in. I'm going to break that up. Okay, I'm going to add some oil to that, some olive oil. It is 81% lean ground beef. Okay, at this point, I'm going to check on my pasta. I always taste my pasta to see if it's done or not. I'll taste it. No, it's not done. Okay, so now I'm going to start adding my seasoning to the ground beef. I'm going to add turmeric that helps build up your immune system. Turmeric. My spoon won't fit in there. Okay. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of that turmeric. And I'm going to add ginger. Also, it builds up your immune system. So in this meal, we have the garlic, ginger, and turmeric that is going to help build our immune system. You know, you can use ginger powdered form like this as a seasoning. You can use ginger fresh, or they have the ginger tea that you can also use. Okay. I'm adding Sassoon. Sassoon everything mix seasoning. I'm going to add Italian seasoning because this is an Italian dish. And that's coming out too slow for me. Alright, lots of that. Lots of Italian seasoning. Okay, now I'm going to add some black pepper. And the star of the day, taco seasoning. Because we're making taco spaghetti. I'm going to pour this whole package in. This package is 28 grams, which is 1 ounce. Okay, taco seasons in. Now let's mix in our seasonings with our ground beef. Okay, I'm gonna add a little water because the taco seasoning is thick and it's gonna need something to thin it out. I'm gonna add a little water. There we go. Okay, at this point I'm gonna take my pasta out and I'll be right back. I'm gonna take it out, put it in a strainer, rinse it with cold water, and come back to you. Okay, so since I left you last, I poured off all the excess oil that was in the frying pan with the ground beef. And now I'm gonna add, it's crushed tomatoes in a heavy puree. This is gonna be my sauce. I'm gonna add this to the frying pan. And you know tomato sauce is a little bitter. So I'm going to add some honey. Raw honey. This is something else that builds up your immune system. So we're going to add that. That was about 2 tablespoons full. Okay, now I'm going to add some more Italian seasoning so that it mixes in with my sauce. Seasoning is your choice. How much or little is all up to you. Okay, so now I'm going to mix this in all together. So what makes this dish different is you have the 3 types of spaghetti. The vegetable to help you build up your vegetable quota for the day. The wheat pasta for fiber, because we need fiber. Fiber helps us move our bowels and other things in our body. Then we have the turmeric, which helps build the immune system. Okay, so we're going to let this mix up. Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm going to start, well, I have to heat up the pasta. Well, I took the pasta, I put it in the strainer here, okay, and I ran cold water on it. So now I'm going to take it out the cold water and bring the temperature back in the microwave, okay? 1 second. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? All of our sauce is done and the pasta is done, okay? So, the word of the day is, it is what it is. It's not the way you want it to be. It's not the way you wish it to be. It's not the way the future is going to be. But right now, it is what it is. Whatever that is. You know, you have to just accept where life is now, where you are now, and what's going on with you now. Because right now, it is what it is. That's the word of the day. Okay, so let me fix my plate and show you and have a taste, okay? 1 second. Okay, guys, there we go. Taco spaghetti to build up your immune system. There you go. Incorporate those items that I pointed out to you and I added to this dish to build up your immune system, because we're in a time now where, you know, we don't want to get the infection, so we have to do what we can to help ourselves. This will help, okay? All right, so let me give it a taste. Okay, guys, let's see. Wow, tastes just like taco. And all those immune system benefits in it. Great. I like it. Okay, I hope you like it too. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.